General Secretary All India Trinamool Congress AITC Abhishek Banerjee Hagasien Kabaning Kongbo Wan Yu Kachat Ashlong Ulapansko Baka Party Kaba Ulong Komunong Elam Kadena Bengal Tangba Karukom Trekama Kamensim Kade Batkirulum Abhishek Ula Jubab Yakane Yakajinkali Kablabo Ahmad Jongu Daw Nong Pathai Jongu Shulong Melu Kurwa Katiar Hakajing Kando Bakilat Pathai Kubor Hakabaula Ong Ka TMC Kanot Ban Kren Pyrshah Yaka BJP Ru Kum ka jing penshai Henry hato ka BJP bat kiwei ki seng ki note.
Your party has been tagged as a Bengal party by the opposition.
Who has tagged? I don't know. Opposition will, sir. Opposition will do.
Few of your MLAs have also decided to jump to another party. It's because of this reason.
Can I answer now? Okay, thank you. Opposition will do their work. Congress was started in Maharashtra. Is Congress a Marathi party? AAP was started in Delhi. Is AAP a Delhi party? So opposition, as I said, we are a national party. National party, the status has been accorded by the Election Commission of India. I am not saying. You go and check with the Election Commission, there are 6 or 7 national parties out of the 1700 political parties in the country. So we are one of them with regional ethos. So opposition will do their job. They will try to label and brand Trinamool as a Bengali party. Obviously we come from Bengal. But I have the guts to put this on record in front of camera. Next time when a BJP, like you're shooting questions to me, with all modesty and humbleness, I will request you, next time a BJP leader comes to the state, you should shoot the same question to him. Like I am putting this on record and saying that in the next 6 months when we have a new government in Meghalaya, Meghalaya will not be ruled from Bengal. Can the BJP leader put this on camera on record that Meghalaya will not be ruled from Delhi or Madhya Pradesh or Maharashtra or Gujarat? Let them put this on record.